shopping, baby. I ordered $3,000 worth of stuff at Madewell, so let's unbox it. I don't even remember what I got, so we're gonna find out together. Got this oversized chunky sweater. Oh, I'm going to live in this winter. Boxes in boxes. Here's the first pair of shoes I got. This is such a perfect staple piece. I cannot wait to wear this through the rest of fall and winter. This is the perfect pair of black jeans, guys. I love that Madewell has petite sizes. Also have plus size and then standard and tall as well. It just fits for everyone. Perfect vintage wide leg jean. I love the color of these and the flare. This is great for an oversized baggy look. I got the Essex ankle boot in black. I love that it has like a square toe. The heel is just perfect. This feels like a really high quality, sturdy shoe. If you live in a cold place, you should definitely get these. Here's the next pair of shoes. It's the same as the first one, but this is a brown heel instead of the black. And we're on to box number 2. I'm just tearing everything open like Christmas morning. Got this gray jacket. This is gonna be real warm to layer up over the fall and winter. This cute lightweight blouse. I also got it in black. I feel like it's just a really good staple piece that I can throw on and tuck into a pair of jeans. Next, we've got this really cozy sweater. A pair of crew socks was just speaking to me. This long trench coat is to die for. I cannot wait to style this winter. It's so thick and warm for the colder seasons. Like, look at this material. These are the 90s straight jeans. Look how trendy and cute. I'm just dying to wear these with my Uggs. We're down to our last item, which is another shoe. This is the one I've been waiting for. Look how freaking pretty this cognac color is. I am dying to wear this. This is such a unique color and boot. I love that it's a kitten heel. Here's all the damage that we did. If you guys want to shop any of these pieces, I'll have them linked on my Like to Know It under Madewell. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!